Väldigt få gastronomiska upplevelser associeras så starkt med sommaren för oss svenskar som skagenröra. Mer specifikt skagenröra serverat på en smörstekt brödskiva toppat med rom och dill. Självklart finns det vissa mindre variationer på den läckra röran beroende på kocken i köket. If you are a non-Swede and have managed to stumble upon this video, count yourself lucky. Because now you will learn about an exquisite Swedish delicacy that originated in the 50s and symbolizes a mixture of summer's eve with a dash of posh life. Toast Skagen is a very simple presentation of the minimalistic Swedish taste, both as cultural mentality and what domestic cuisine actually stands for. Always the very best of what the current season offers. Toast Skagen was developed, if you might, by a chef and restaurateur, Tore Wretman. Funny enough, this beloved starter was named after the northernmost Danish town on a peninsula, Skagen, yet very few Danes know about its hype here in Sweden, and quite honestly I'm not even sure whether they know of its existence. The legend has it that Tore made Toast Skagen while on a boat, and when asked what this creamy deliciousness was, having the view over the peninsula, the naming became obvious. Toast Skagen, he shouted. Toast Skagen is simply a shrimp and mayo mixture, served on a piece of buttered toasted bread. There of course are a few other ingredients, but the recipe is easy as it gets. I encourage you to blend this heavenly mixture, which you will find in the description box below. Refrigerate it for at least a couple of hours, or preferably overnight. Toast a great piece of bread with butter on a pan, smear the mixture onto it, and enjoy the taste of Swedish skärgård. That's more like it.